Okay, this is the Zorki. It's a Russian rangefinder camera. It's a Zorki 4K, by the way. Let me put the leather case aside first. So this is the front part of the camera, the side, the other side, the back, the top, and the bottom. I'll show you the glass now. Outer conditions. Front, back, internal, okay, we continue to test the shutter speed. The special thing about this camera is that you need to wind it first before you can change the speed. So you need to wind first, then you choose the speed that you want, you can see. So now we're gonna start with 1 second. 1 second. Okay, then wind, and then choose half second. Wind, choose 1/4. Wind, 1/8. One over 15. One over 60. One to 5. This is 250. $500. 1,000. Somehow it's a bit hard to change the speed when it's set to 125. Not sure why. It's hard to pull it out. But when it's like 250 and above, it's harder to pull out and change. I'm not sure what's with the peculiarities of this, but okay. So one thing I noticed when I first received it is that to change the mode from rewinding mode to actually shooting mode, you need to turn this knob here. So when all the dots here, the red one and the black one, and this dot is aligned, then it's a normal shutter mode. But if you change this, if you turn it to the other, like if you turn it counterclockwise, if you turn it clockwise, then you can actually reverse the film. You can actually rewind the film then, like there's a mechanism to rewind the film. But if you turn it back, because now you can cock but you can't activate the shutter. So now when you actually turn it back to align all of them, then you can fire after you cock. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Thanks everyone. I noticed just now the shutter curtain was misaligned after I played around with this thing. So let me show you how to remedy it. So when I do like this and I go back and I cock the shutter, well, if it misaligned, you just need to cock more, like after you done cocking one time, you put it again, then it will align itself. Yeah, so that's how I done it. Thanks. Yeah, and I forgot to show you the bulb mode. So this is bulb mode, and this is flash mode at 1/30. Yeah, there you go. Thanks.